Welcome to ReachOut. Today, let's explore the map view on ReachOut designed to facilitate real-time tracking and supervision of your field agents. Furthermore, you can also have insights into every location your field agents have covered, including those scheduled for future visits, all within a designated period. To access the map view on ReachOut web interface, go to Jobs and click on Map. The map, by default, will show you the live locations of your agents, along with the categorized locations of jobs, either assigned or unassigned. Here, you can see the multiple filters to adjust the view the way you prefer. Start by checking or unchecking the filters to include or exclude inspections or work orders from the view. You can also toggle on or off the view to adjust the inclusion or exclusion of agents. By default, the date range will be set to 3 days, that is, for the previous, present, and next working days. You can change this and select a date range that you prefer. Check or uncheck the 4 types of job categories: pending dispatch, dispatch jobs, jobs underway, and submitted jobs the way you prefer. The map will have job location pins indicating the status of the jobs based on their respective colors. Adjacent to the map, you can see the classifications for jobs, teams, and agents. Expand the Jobs tab to view a list of jobs that fall under the selected date range. Using the search or scroll down and select functions, you can use this panel to select particular jobs on the map and view, edit, reschedule, or reassign them as per your needs. Here you can search jobs using job details such as name, contact number, or address. Once selected, the job will appear on the map as a colored pin according to its status. You can utilize various filters to efficiently schedule and assign jobs. Let's highlight the pending dispatch filter, where you can see the number of pending dispatches. When the particular job location pin is displayed on the map, click on it to view a particular job. You can use the expander button to get additional options like edit or view details for each job. Here you can assign, reassign, schedule, or reschedule the job depending on the status of the job. Click on the corresponding option and open the Job Details window. On the Job Details window, enter the required details like start date and time, duration, and agents, and click on Submit. You can see the job as reassigned by clicking on its location pin. If you use the Teams tab, you can narrow down jobs on the map based on your field service teams. You can use the search option to select a particular team, or scroll down through the list and use the checkbox to select the team you want. On the teams list, you can find information such as team name, team lead, number of agents, etc. If you click on the Agents option, you can see a list of team members belonging to that team. Selecting a team will narrow down the map view to locations and jobs assigned specifically to that team or its agents. You can click on the location marker and then on the people icon to view information on team members. By expanding the team member details card, you will get the option to view a detailed profile of the team member too. Also, you can monitor the real-time locations of your agents using either the Teams or Agents tabs. If you notice that an agent is nearer to a task site compared to another who is currently assigned that task, you can reassign and reschedule the task to the nearer agent. This helps you save both time and resources. Similarly, using certain combinations of the available filters, you will be able to effectively allocate jobs based on the job statuses and live locations of the agents. Mastering this skill will prove beneficial in cutting fuel costs, job turnaround time, and optimizing your profits. Clicking on the job pin opens up all the job cards associated with that particular location. By expanding any of the job cards, you will get options to edit or view the job details of that particular job. Also, according to the job status, you can reassign or reschedule the job as per your requirements. Note that for completed or invoiced jobs, these options wouldn't be available. The Agents tab is similar in its functions to the Teams tab, and you can use this tab to see information about your agents. There's a map view on ReachOut mobile app as well. This will be beneficial for the field agents to easily locate and navigate to the customer location. To access it, tap on a job and scroll down to the Customer Overview section. Here, you can tap on the address to open Google Map with the directions to the location marked on it. If you tap on the location pin, it will give you two options: directions to the location and a location view on Google Maps. That's all about the map view in ReachOut. Reach out to our customer support team for further assistance.